Hi, this is Beauty and her owner John. Beauty is ready to foal after 11 months, and John wants to make sure she has a healthy foal. How can I ensure to have a healthy foal? Soon after birth, check the foal's IgG level for passive transfer and SAA level for infection detection. You can do this on site with a single drop of blood in minutes using two new diagnostic kits, EquiCheck SAA and ImmunoCheck G. These kits are simple to use, offer fast results, convenient, are stored at room temperature, and cost-effective. By testing IgG levels of the new foal, John can see what's going on. Was passive transfer of the mare's IgG antibodies complete? Was there an infection? Good news, the foal's IgG level is good and there was no infection. In case of partial or total failure of IgG transfer, I can supplement right away. In case there is any infection, I can call the veterinarian quickly for treatment.